So what's up everybody, this is Sick Eric back again with another video about the OnePlus 6T, and today we're just going to be going over how to set up the fingerprint scanner on the OnePlus 6T. A lot of people out there saying that it does take a long, it is a long process and it doesn't work as accurately as your traditional fingerprint sensor. It does take a little long to set up, but it's really not that bad, and it does work really well. It's not as fast or as secure as your traditional fingerprint scanner, but it still works really well. I'm enjoying it a lot. That's probably one of the biggest selling points, I guess, of this device is the fingerprint scanner. But sometimes it takes a little while, but most of the time it does work really well. When you just put your finger on there, it works really fast. For some reason, when you have it on the table, it does act sometimes, but most of the time it does work really well. I've already set up this thumb and this finger and this thumb, so we're going to go ahead and set up this finger. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and go into settings, and you're going to go into security and lock screen, and then you're going to find fingerprint, which is right here. So you're going to click on that, and then it's going to show you right here. Now apparently you can't add the same fingerprint twice, which I usually like to do on your traditional fingerprint sensor to have it read more accurately, but you can't do that on this device. I've tried it and it just keeps on asking for more, and it just takes even longer than the first time. But we're going to go ahead and hit add fingerprints right here, and then you're going to hit next, and then you're just going to place your finger right on there and hold it. It'll vibrate once it registers, and you just move your finger around the little circle until you get everything on there. And then it's going to do a second stage, which is the edges. So you just place your fingers edges along it until it vibrates and until it registers all of your finger. And it shines that green light because that's what's actually illuminating your finger, so pretty much the camera underneath can't take a picture of it, so it needs that light to see. And then once you're done, you're going to go ahead and hit done, and you have a couple options to show the fingerprints. So say you have your phone off and you pick it up, it'll show the scanner. You have the option to tap the screen to show. So if you have it off on the desk, let's go ahead and let it turn off real quick. You could tap and it'll show the clock, your ambient display, and a fingerprint scanner. And you also have a couple different animations. You have a Cosmos, you have a wave, and you have the stripe. I've been using the wave just because I think it lights it up a little bit better and makes it easier to see than all the other ones do, because it sort of illuminates from the inside and goes out. That's just my theory, but that's pretty much it on how to set up the fingerprint sensor. You could add, I don't know if it's 5 or 6, but I've already have 4 on here, and it's still letting me add more, so that's pretty cool. So it's a pretty simple process. It works well. Don't be afraid of it. You know, if you're thinking about getting a device and you're like, well, I don't know about that in-display fingerprint sensor, it still works. It is accurate. It's not as accurate or as fast as your traditional one, but it still works really well on this device. It is still fairly new, but it still works really well. So check it out if you're definitely thinking about this, or you know, you don't know you're gonna buy this device just because of that fingerprint sensor. Don't be worried, it still works well. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell, and stay tuned for more content on this device, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.